Islamic finance and banking. Islamic finance is today a $2.5 trillion industry spread across 80 countries: Iran, Saudi, Malaysia, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Turkey, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and Bahrain. These countries account for almost 95% of the world's Sharia compliant assets. Let us first know what Sharia laws are. Islamic law or Sharia law is a religious law forming part of the Islamic tradition. It is mentioned in the Holy Quran and also the Hadith, which are followed by all Muslims. What is Sharia finance? It simply means the Sharia laws to be followed for businesses and individuals to raise capital. Principles of Islamic finance. It is based on the number of prohibitions that are in the Holy Book and was followed in the historic Islam. No paying or charging an interest. It is strictly prohibited. Investing in businesses involved in prohibited activities such as alcohol, pork, pornography, etc. Speculation. It strictly prohibits any form of speculation or gambling, uncertainty and risk. Islamic finance bans participation with excessive risk or uncertainty. 5 largest Arab Islamic banks. On the top is Al Rajhi in Saudi Arabia. Second is Dubai Islamic Bank in UAE. Third is Kuwait Finance House in Kuwait. Fourth is Qatar Islamic Bank in Qatar. And fifth is Al Inma Bank in Saudi Arabia. Did you think that it's only for Muslim countries? The answer is no. Kenya, Sudan, Egypt, Morocco, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, France. Also, many US banks have started offering Sharia compliant. You must be thinking, how do they earn? What is the financial model? The first is profit and loss sharing partnership. It is where one provides the capital and the other takes decision on the investment of it on a pre-agreed ratio. The second one is profit and loss sharing joint venture. There are 2 types of venture. First is diminishing partnership. In that, the bank and the investor come together to buy a property. The second is permanent musharaka. It does not have a specific end date. It just keeps going on. It is basically for long-term projects. Leasing. It simply means that the owner of the property leases out to a tenant who in return pays a specific amount. When the amount is completed, the ownership is transferred to the person who took it on lease. Bonds, options, derivatives are forbidden in Islamic finance. The 2 major investment vehicles in Islamic finance are equity. It is prohibited if they deal with interest, gambling, production of alcohol or pork or any such activities. Fixed income instruments. Sharia allows Sharia compliant bonds. These bonds represent partial ownership in an asset. Who makes the rules for Islamic finance? The Sharia Supervisory Board. Each finance institution has the board, which consists of at least 3 jurists. They are knowledgeable in Quranic verses, the Sunnah, and the sayings of the Prophet. The board takes decisions by majority of vote. In countries like UK, they can also be non-Muslim experts who have studied such matters extensively.